Hello everyone, this is the Matlab code of our Capstone project, City Image Enhancement with Wavelet Analysis for the detection of small airways diseases. In this code, we are applying hybrid filtering, wavelet transformation, decomposition, reconstruction, and evaluation of image quality using NIQE, PIQE, and BRISQE matrices. In this code, we process an image applying morphological operation, wavelet transformation, and evaluate the quality of the processed and reconstructed image. So in the first step, we will applying hybrid filtering. First of all, we will read an image with the help of function imread. After that, we will use an structuring element. SE creates a disk-shaped structuring element for morphological operation. E1 erodes the image I using the structuring element. D1 dilates the original image using the structuring element. And ED1 dilates the eroded image E1 using the same structuring element. This is the first step. In the next step, we will do wavelet transformation and its coefficient. In this step, we will use a function DWT2. This function stands for 2D discrete wavelet transform. It is a mathematical operation that decomposes an image into different frequency components. And this ED1, this is the image resulting from dilating the eroded image in step 1. It represents the processed image. SYM4 specify the type of wavelet to be used. In this case, it is a simulate 4 wavelet. Simulates are family of wavelets that are symmetric and have good properties for image processing. Now this CACH, CV and CD, these are the variables represent the output of the wavelet transform. C is the approximation coefficient representing the low frequency information. CH is the horizontal detail coefficient capturing high frequency information in the horizontal direction. CV is the vertical detail coefficient capturing high frequency information in the vertical direction. CD is dilated. CD is a diagonal detail coefficient capturing high frequency information along the diagonal. This is our third step. In the third step, we are applying wavelet decomposition and reconstruction. Now, in this step, we will use a wavedeck2 function. This wavedeck2 function performs a 2D wavelet decomposition on an image, and ED1 process image obtained from step 1. These two specify the level of decomposition. In this case, it decomposes the image down to level 2. SYM4 again it specifies the type of wavelet using the simulate 4 wavelet. This C and S are the output consist of two main components. C is the decomposition coefficient. These contain the wavelet coefficient at different level. S is the bookkeeping matrix. It contains information about the size of the coefficient at each level. This wavelet2 function used for the wavelet reconstruction. And this ED reconstructed image obtained by combining the decomposition coefficient and bookkeeping matrix. Now in the next step, we will apply image quality matrices. In the image quality matrices, first of all, we will use NIQE evaluator. This NIQE evaluator is the natural image quality evaluator. This line of code computes the NIQE matrix for the original processed image, and this line of code compute the NIQE matrix for the reconstructed image. Now PIQ is a perceptual image quality evaluator, and this line of code compute the PIQE matrix for the original processed image ED1, and this line of code compute the PIQE matrix for the reconstructed image ED. Now at the last, we will use BRISQE evaluator. This is the blind referenceless image spatial quality evaluator. This line of code compute the brisk metric for the original processed image. And this line of code compute the brisk metric for the reconstructed image. Now this is the whole code. Now I am going to run the program. These are the results of the program. In figure 1, this is our original image, and this is the eroded image. which we find after applying the erosion. And this is the dilated image. This is the dilation of erosion. Now in figure 2, this is the dilation of erosion image, and this is the image of approximation coefficient, and these are the horizontal coefficient, vertical coefficient, and diagonal coefficient. Now in figure 3, this is our required image, and this is the image of decomposition vector. This is the image of bookkeeping matrix, and this is the image of reconstructed image. So this is our whole program. Thank you.